Need to add blur effect in Vita app? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily add blur effect. Start by moving into your application Vita. Now import any of the video that you want to edit, or you can simply choose the video that you have already imported. Once the video is uploaded, click on Effect right here. Once again click on Effect. Tons of different effects will be visible to you. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Over here you can see Figure Blur. Click on it. If you want to add this blur effect, click on the tick mark. Now simply drag the effect till where you want to add to the video. And there you can see that the blur effect has been successfully added to this video. Likewise, you can search for other blur effect and then add it like this. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.